Good morning, everybody. Today is the 2nd of November. I hope you all enjoyed a nice long weekend, having a couple of days off here. So just wanted to give you a preview of what this week is going to look like. So first thing is make sure you're checking into your homeroom, and then you're attending that whole group classes. And then same as usual. So each week we're going to click modules to take notes, and then we're going to stay on pace through Edgenuity. So going into modules, you'll see that the new set of notes is here, number 5, solving problems involving rational numbers. So these are the notes we're doing in class on Monday. And so take these notes, make sure you've got those down because this is actually the last section in Edgenuity before your unit test. So these four, now 5 sets of notes are going to be important for that coming up. So we've gone into modules, taken those notes first. Then we're going to check our assignments and see what's going on there. In our assignments, you'll see there are 2 things this week. So this is November. So first thing is Edgenuity solving problems with rational numbers. So if I click on that, I see the description. This is the 5th section of Edgenuity, and that should be getting me to about 27% complete for the second 9 weeks. So remember, work on your second 9 weeks, not your first 9 weeks, even if you have things to do there. And then after that, so that is due on Wednesday the 4th. So Wednesday the 4th, that is due. And then this Edgenuity, the unit test review, and the unit test, that's due on Friday, November 6th by 3 p.m. So by Friday, you'll want to have that unit test done, and that will get you to about 30%, 32%, somewhere in there. So let me pull up Edgenuity and show you what we're looking for a little bit more specifically. So this is ideally where we would be right now, where you have finished up all of these sections. So adding and subtracting fractions, multiplying fractions, dividing fractions. Now, remember, dividing fractions wasn't due till Friday, and we didn't have school Friday, so this has not been put into gradebook yet. So if you're still working on dividing fractions, that's okay. Multiplying should have been done by Wednesday before we left school, but again, that's okay. If you're still here, get caught up with this and this so that you can finish up the next section by Wednesday. So you still have time to work on that. It's just getting right there on track. Okay, so remember, second 9 weeks is what you should be working on. Do not go back and work on the first 9 weeks. That's going to be a waste of your time because first 9 weeks grades are done for now. We can change them later, but for right now, those grades aren't getting updated. But these grades will be updated. So by the end of the day today, you should have what was supposed to be due Friday. So these dividing fractions, that should be done by the end of today. And then this is due Wednesday. This is due Friday. So the unit test by Friday, that is on your calendar. It's in your assignments in Canvas. Okay. So don't forget about those things. If you have questions, let us know. Come to your small groups, and we look forward to seeing you very soon.